Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about if your Asus TUF F15 have a Microsoft Office. So now when we're gonna come here and look on what's included in the box and Microsoft Office, you see the Microsoft Home and Student. You're going to have it for it. But I don't think if you have if you're gonna get the key, if it's going to be like let's say forever. So then what you need to do is just go to Microsoft Store app and then click on library button bottom left. There you'll find a tab which is included with the device, and you can claim your Office Home and Student from then, and also 1 month subscription of Xbox Gaming Pass Ultimate. So yes, it should be, and I don't know which version you're going to get, but yes, based on here, it should be available. So thank you very much and have a great